Good day, trader. My name is Wasku Smart FX. Welcome to our YouTube channel. And in this video, we'll be talking about the weekend trade recap. So this is the avenue whereby we look at the trade we took during the week and we discuss why we take the trades and what is the strategy used for the trade. Okay. We are looking at this. We want to look at this day. That's July 3rd on Wednesday. Looking at this trade, why we took the sell and what is the strategy used for this trade. Okay, looking at this particular trade, everybody that has been following me on my recent videos, that is the intermediate time high, intermediate time low as an entry pattern, should be able to take this trade, because it's just that many people don't usually know the context of the trade. They don't have draw on liquidity, they don't have narratives, so they feel like they don't usually see the trade. But this particular one is very visible for everyone to see. So this trade here, this is the end result here. That's 130 pips. So let's look at the chart and see why we took the trade. So the particular day was on Wednesday, right? So this particular day, okay, July 3rd, yeah, that's Thursday. So it was on Thursday. This particular day, I took the sell. This sell down 4 hours there. So let's go to daily chart. I want to show you the context first. I want to show you the context of what I saw on the higher time frame. So on the daily time frame, this is the Thursday, and I have market break the structure here. So this structure that was broken here, I called it a run, which means market run the high. It didn't take the liquidity, it runs it, which shows that this particular candle here shows the market sweep the liquidity. Then when the second candle comes, that's on Wednesday, it shows that market run it. Market wants to continue the buys. The market creates a fair value gap. So this fair value gap here is what I expect market to retrace back to on Thursday. You can see. So which means, let me this fair value gap, let me remove it. I just want you guys to know what I saw on the higher time frame. So let me put this low. So that is where we are expecting market to come to for buy continuation, which means there's a fair value gap here for market to enter as buy continuation. So which means I have my draw on liquidity, which is this low, and market is currently offering a fair value, not seeking a liquidity, they are offering a fair value. So when I go down to 1 hour charts, so when I go down to 1 hour charts, I didn't see much, because you can see that market is bullish, and that is just all what I saw. Market is bullish, but that was on Wednesday. So but I expect market to come down Thursday for sell continuation, but buy continuation. But I cannot just enter a sell and just expect like that. Market may not come, market may come, and that's for market to decide. So I go down to 15 minutes intraday and look for what market is doing on the intraday chart. So at first you can see it on Thursday, market was bullish. You can see market was bullish here, and market can see how market was bullish here. So which means the reason why I know market was bullish is that every time market break the structure, it retraces back to a fair value gap for buy continuation. So which means that at this particular time, I have a short time low. I think on my YouTube channel I talks about market structure. So which means that I assumed that everybody watching this video should understand market structure, understand a short time low, short time high, and intermediate time low, intermediate time high. You see, it's not just about because there are lows or highs. There is a criteria for having a short time low. For example, having a short time low must trade into a fair value gap and must create a new fair value gap. For example, you trade into a fair value gap and create a new fair value gap. So which means that expect market to continue the buys because this is a short time low. If market wants to buy, market should not take the short time low. Market should not take a short time low if market wants to continue the buys. So when market come to this particular place, traded into the fair value gap, then move a little bit high, which means that market respect the fair value gap, but market was unable to take this high. You get what I'm saying? Market was unable to take this high. And don't forget our intermediate time high is that market goes high, traded in when this fair value gap, there's a fair value gap here, market was unable to take this high. So which means this is it here. A short time low, market breaks structures, goes into a fair value gap, was unable to break this high, then breaks it. So the moment market breaks it, this high serve as intermediate time high. So that is our definition of intermediate time high, and you can see that in the first video of market structure, intermediate time high, intermediate time low as an entry pattern. So the moment market was unable to break this high, so I assumed that this low, so I will expect market to break this low too. So but this is the real low for market to break this guy here. So I assumed, or it's not even I assumed, you can see that this high here is what we call the intermediate time high. A higher here, a higher high, and other lower high. So a lower high, an higher high, and a lower high. So according to the drawing I drew there. So this is the intermediate time high. So when market breaks this high, so I was expecting market to break this short time low. Don't forget what I said about short time low. Whenever a short time low is created, a real short time low is created, market must not break a short time low if market wants to continue the buys. Don't forget the combination of a short time low. The formula is that a short time low must trade into a fair value gap and must create a new fair value gap in its own range. Enter a fair value gap, create a fair value gap in its range. Market respect the high, but was unable to. Market respect the fair value gap, was unable to take the high, then breaks the low that traded into the fair value gap, then go up. Here, market disrespect this fair value gap here. So I was not looking at this fair value gap. So when market breaks the short time low, so I know that now we are bearish. So bearish to where? Bearish to where we want to go to on daily charts. So so having this low here, so it was there I took the trade. Because we have a fair value gap, one fair value gap here, we have another fair value gap here, we have another fair value gap here. Now this is the story, or this is how I do it. If market did not respect this first fair value gap, it means that market is coming to the um fair value area. So this is the only place market can come to. It is not the first one. It is the fair value area market can come to. Though market comes to the first fair value gap here, but that is not how it always look like. It just come for this trade. So if you wait on the first fair value gap, you may miss a lot of trade. So the fair value area is our entry, and fair value area is our entry, and my stop loss above here, and take profit to this. So but my take profit is 1 to 2 actually, because I know that that's what I want. Don't forget, this is my target on the daily chart. The where we were expecting market to come to on the daily chart, the fair value gap on daily chart. So which means that I did not just look for the pattern, or I did not just look for the trade. I look for the confirmations. I look for the draw on liquidity, and I look for the confirmation. There must be a draw on liquidity. There must be a place you want market to go to according to your beliefs, because we all trade according to our beliefs, and that is all what we trade in the market. So we need to have a draw on liquidity first. That is a very, very perfect thing to do. Draw on liquidity, followed by your narrative, and followed by your confirmations. So that is very good. So this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also, if you want to join the Telegram channel, link is in the description, so you can see it here. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. The Lord bless you all. Thank you.